Yeah.
It's pretty nice. School came out?
No. Just
Hold on. Hold on. Alright, hold on. Alex.
Yo!
Come here, Bobby.
Yo.
I'm stuck here. Alright, just maneuver that, move it. I got it. No. I couldn't move. Okay. Alright, get the netting support on there. I'm straightening out. I got it here. Just straighten out the
Yes.
Alright. Oh, I'm sorry. It's got drizzle.
And we have lights. And we have cameras.
Yeah.
Cable scene. Where did it see? Scorpio?
Yeah.
Tony Montana right there.
Yeah.
But take
The world is mine.
Put it inside the thing just in case.
The world is mine
Just put it
now.
on everything and I'm ready for anything. That's it.
Ready? Alright, so for this, just back up a tiny bit, and I want you to push that up.
Yeah.
As high as you can get.
Yeah,
Seriously.
you're gonna need some space, and then push, push that up. That way. This high enough? Yeah, just enough.
All right. So I think it might be two people thing.
Yep.
All right, let me see. All right, let's put that inside there, Herb. Yeah, that's the wire.
With this helmet, we name you
Predator.
With this helmet, we now crown you.
Predator.
All right, so let me see.
We will now crown you.
All right. Now look, Alex. Yeah. Remember that time last week? This button here. That's the one that you're gonna press 2 seconds.
Okay, got it.
It's on the left side. All right. All right, hold on. Don't force it.
You are now
Predator.
All right, hold on.
Put your head back so I can get this underneath. And these wires, I gotta take it back.
Yeah.
Now we gotta call the hairstylist.
No, you'll hear him. You got a microphone. Oh, hook it up there.
Yeah, so don't curse him out, little Chris.
You can hear what you say? You can hear him much. No, I'm saying like right now.
Yeah, he's saying you're a big man down.
Get the plug. Everything nice and neat on the left.
Yeah, everything's nice and neat back here. Pushing these wires to the back. Yeah, get the magnetic thing right here, right? The magnetic thing. He's gonna be at this side. You want something right now? Well, if you listen, you can't miss him. If you listen. Yeah, Dwayne Reed. Yeah, just follow the sounds. You'll find them. Yeah, I see it. No, we're on 10 to 30. The DHL. 38.
That's your nephew?
Yeah, my the one that keeps working.
38th Street, 10th Avenue, corner.
38th Street, 10th Avenue.
Yeah, corner of 38 and 10.
You don't get something wet?
He's down in the way.
And then this one?
Because as long as the brothers over all that matters.
Yeah.
Have a strap. So have the brothers over carry it. Whoa.
When I get over there.
We good? No, that's it.
Alright, we're good.
Take my mask before we get over there.
Alright,
Car secure.
cool.
Car
We're off.
secure.
I know Chris.
Yeah, you got it, Chris?
Good?
Yeah.
I know the trees there.
Ah.
It's not my fault. They're in the trees. All right, let's go. Everybody back up. Back up. We're in the sidewalk. Go on. Let's go. Yeah, Fred's on. Let's go. You watch the water. Yeah. Oh, that's the water.
Oh, yeah.
Step over.
Celebrities. He needs fucking theme music, bro. That's what he's missing right now. He's missing theme music. You good, right? You don't have to be in front of me, but you can be like on the side. Good. And then once I pass that, you can go behind me.
All right.
Aboard the cannon. Yeah. And 1, 2, 3. There you go.
Right inside. Watch your step. Right inside.
Watch the steps, dude.
Right inside.
Two doors. Open up that fucking door.
Hold on. Stevie, right here. Right here. And stand right here. Face me. Turn this way. I'll hold the wrapper. You grab this piece.
Who's got the umbrella? The umbrella? Yeah. Hold it up. Yeah.
The dot on the top. For the dot.
Right there, yeah. Here you go, right here.
The dot, the blue goes on the top.
Oh, yeah. Okay, got it. Flip it.
Yeah, switch it, yeah.
It's easy to explain.
Put that in the back.
The lanterns.
No, in the black bag.
Okay, so now
Another bag.
we got a lot of people want to take pictures, so I'm gonna set you up right there.
All right, Chris, you can start filming, brother.
Okay, and okay, who wants to you want a picture? Go ahead. No, face this way. Yeah, right there. Just like that, right there. Just like that. Yeah. All right, there you go.
Where's the camera?
Right there.
Thank you.
Hold on, one more picture. Yeah, go ahead. Yeah, I need everybody's cash app.
Come on, can you take a picture?
Yeah, sure. Yeah,
I don't want to. Yeah, I got it.
Thank you.
Yeah. Ready, 1, 2, 3. Hold it right here, straight ahead. Hold that. Beautiful.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Anyway, you can go. Stevie, right here. Got a couple of people taking pictures. Pose right there, straight ahead. I'm gonna set up my camera in the meantime.
Can I get one of you to take a picture?
Can you? Yeah.
Stay right there, Stevie. One second. We're gonna walk now. Let me get my.
When you guys see,
Right next to you.
right there, you got footage.
To your right. Doing my job, man. Handing stuff out.
Yeah, don't worry about it. Yep. You got Herb and stuff they could give out too.
Say again?
You could give this up to Herb too.
Okay.
Yeah, he'll give it out.
Yeah, absolutely. Got another picture, Steven.
All right.
Thanks so much. You take a photo of me. Great. The white button's on a 2-second timer. Cool. Thank you. Thank you much. Excellent. Yeah. That's the
Take your picture. Right here.
Got another picture.
Camera right there.
Thank you.
Mom! I got it.
I'm gonna take it.
Right here.
So fucking amazing.
Oh shit, thanks, man. That's awesome.
All right, let's walk, Stevie.
Yo, you got my thing? My phone, the iPhone.
Yeah.
I need footage.
Want to record?
Yeah. Just random record.
It's hard to get it. Hey, Steve, got a photo.
Oh,
Steve, got a photo.
one photo.
Captain America. That's awesome.
Good? All right, good.
Here, man, you got a picture of me with him. Sure. Hey, yo, that's awesome. Oh, hey, excuse me, can I get a picture? Always coming in, brother. Got it!
I'm sorry.
Yeah. Shake your hand. Shake your hand.
Come on, little guy. Come.
I'm a little scared about this. Your costume's too good. It's terrifying.
Good? All right.
Dutch legal
I just got it.
Can I take a picture real quick? Yeah.
I'm sorry.
You good?
Wow. You win the award.
You got your hand up and down to record?
Alright, very cool.
Damn, I'm gonna have to go up the stairs. I'm gonna have to go up the stairs too.
That's a well invested.
Hey.
Thank you. Amazing.
I just got another predator. I'm on the hunt today.
I appreciate you, my guy.
Oh, hold that right there. Yeah, hold that right there.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Excellent. Yo, it's dope. Thank you.
Thank you. This is fabulous. Can you take a picture with
Thank you.
Can you take a picture with you?
Oh, yeah, come. Oh, no, just stay right there. Come on.
Thank you.
All right, no problem.
Straight down, straight down.
Yeah.
Come this way.
Not working today?
That's oh, that's what we're looking for.
Oh, right here. The bottom, like up the side. You guys search it?
Yeah, 1, 2.
Hold on, bro.
One more. Nice.
Hold on. Yo, you got a Venmo me.
I try to kill him like.
I got him shaking. Perfect. I'm good. Perfect. No doubt.
So they got the sentinel, and then they got the girl predator over there. Oh, yo. Girl predator's here. Straight down there. You see it?
You want to hit him up with a sticker?
Yeah, all of them guys I just did.
No, but this guy here,
Right
you got a
here,
press bag.
Yeah, absolutely.
Oh, it's perfect. We good.
We good. We're gonna be spit on there, take a picture back in everything.
You welcome.
Can he take a picture with you?
Come on, guys.
Guys, try this thing. Be scared.
He's shaking.
Got it. Thank you so much. Thanks so much.
Right here. Come on, guys. Who's taking your picture?
Thank you.
You're welcome. You're welcome.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Chico, you good? I got Miss Predator.
Where? On.
We're gonna shoot over there.
Oh,
Yeah, come on this way. I got Martin.
Yeah. What's up, mama? How you doing, sweetie? All right, you good, right? All right. It's official now.
Now it's the first two.
Yeah.
Now I'm gonna do it.
Where am I gonna go?
If you guys want to take pictures.
Yo, Chris.
Yeah.
You gotta put that video on
Okay.
right now.
All right, I'm getting that.
Everybody's kind of like, oh.
All right, Stevie, come on in here. Come on. Guys, let me get you guys to back up a little. Let's back up just a little bit. And actually, come over
back there.
All right. Excuse me, guys. Just give me a little bit of room. Thank you. Appreciate it. Oh, a little bit more. And here we go, guys. Ready? 1, 2. Hold that. Now hold that. And here we go. Hold that. Hold that. Ready? 1, 2. Perfect. Hold that. We're good. We're good? Awesome, thanks. Right, I got one more for you. I got one more. Stay right there, stay right there. I got an angel.
Angel?
I'm gonna need you to step to the side, buddy. Thank you. Appreciate it. Alright, hold that right there. Yep, right there. Hold that. Right there. Hold that. Yes, perfect. Nice one. Right there. Hold that. Close-up shot. Right there. Beautiful. You good? Awesome. So give us a card. Give us a card.
Yeah. Make it snappy. I'm gonna get stopped. You good? All right. Give him a card. Come on, get it.
Yeah, you guys jump in. Yeah.
I'm in the middle right here. Then everyone see us on space.
Took two, okay? Thank you. You got it.
Yeah. Give him the card.
Reptile.
Give him a card.
There you guys go. What you got?
All right, guys, can we clear this little area over here, please? All right, guys. Are we good? All right, come on. Can I get one, too? Let's
All right, so that's where the actual Foot Locker is. Okay, you want to make a left over here?
Yeah. Stevie, make a left.
You want to ask? You want to ask them?
Hold on, Steve. Sorry. Gonna go shopping. Hold on.
Can the Predator get some help with some, with some Crocs?
You got a size 28 for him?
We have plenty. Alright, guys,
Yeah, excuse me. You good? What did they say?
Well, she said they got plenty of supply.
Yeah?
Yeah, I was saying she got a size 28 for you.
Size 28.
Yeah, we're good. So, yeah,
All right.
make the left all the way. and then-
Right, Steve.
All right, come on, come on.
Everyone realizes
Yeah, right here.
That's right here, right here.
Yeah, right here in the middle. Yeah, hold that right there. Ready, and hold that. 1, 2, 3, hold that. Gotcha. Actually, Steve.
You good?
Thank you.
You guys go, man.
I appreciate it.
Good job, man.
Stevie. Stevie, go ahead.
Oh, come on, man.
Right there, right there.
Oh, she gotta take the outfit on.
Yeah, get in there, get in there. Hey, hold that right there. Ready? Hold that. Ready? 1, 2. Beautiful.
You good? All right. Yes. You're welcome.
Hold on.
He's gonna give you that.
He's gonna give you a card.
Oh,
there you go, right
thank
there.
you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Ow, break your left.
Oh yeah, let's go.
All right.
Get away from the entrance.
Yeah, I know.
You gotta move.
Yeah, I know. It's too much congestion. Dude, you know you got leaves on your head, right? You.
Oh, why did you tell him? One more. We got another kid.
That's okay. All right, thank you. Oh, sweet. Oh. Take this picture.
Hold on, right there. I got it. There you go, right there. Yeah.
You look great.
Thank you.
Hey, guys, come here.
We'll start taking your picture already. You good?
Hey, Stevie, right here. Picture. Right there. Yeah.
Come on, Steve.
Hold that right there. Hold that. 1, 2. Hold that. One more. Gotcha.
You good?
All right.
Nice. Somebody got caught.
Don't eat me. Thank you.
You welcome.
Made my day.
Enjoy. All right, let's try to go one down and then outside. We're gonna go outside. One down, but you have to go, I think, one down and go outside. One down.
Not a predator, but the predator. Thank you, sir. Can I get one picture with you, sir? Appreciate it.
Thank you.
Have a great day.
Can my friend get a photo?
Yeah, come on.
Thanks.
There you go. That's it.
Awesome, thank you.
Can I get one?
Yeah, Steve, go ahead.
Alright, where are we out here? It's fine. I think they're gonna get some
Afuera.
But it's raining outside. Outside where?
Oh, shit, yeah.
No. right, guys. All right. Let me get you guys right here. Stevie, stand right here. Stand right there. Hold that shot right there.
Okay, thank you.
Hey, Ninja! Let me get a quick shot.
I got the video. You walking up. I want
Can we meet up? I want to meet upstairs or somewhere we can do a photo. It's too private.
All right, give me a different pose. Yeah, come on, give me something creative, guys. All right, right there. Let me get you right here. Hold on, right there. Yeah, that's hot. Hold on. Yeah. Yeah, that's hot. That's hot. Thank you, guys.
You don't have to take the picture. The guy wants to. Go ahead, baby. Monkey, mama. 1, 2, 3.
Yeah. We're gonna do it.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
Stand by 1 second. One and two. Hold that right there. Ready? And 1, 2. Hold it right there. Don't move. I'm gonna get right behind you. Right here. Hold that.
Beautiful.
All right.
Yeah.
Both of you guys. I want you guys come down. Both of you guys. Yes. Right there. Yeah. Right there. That's it. Yeah. Right there. Hold that. Yes.
Hold it. Ah!
Hold that. One more time.
Hold it.
We gotta do the video. One more time.
Do this hand cross on your video.
Come closer. No. Come right here. Come right there. Yes, right there. Yeah. That's what I'm talking about. Yes.